Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, in previous class I have started the revision for unit 11, that is our universe, and I have given the question answers. First main I have given the question answers. Now we will continue the revision. Okay children. So now here your work is open your EVS notebook, write the day and date where you finished the question answers. Down only you have to continue. Now I will give you a second name, that is a true or false. So children, open your EVS notebook. Write the second name, true or false. We can only see the moon. We can only see the moon during the day. During the day. Next one. The sun is smaller than the moon. The sun is smaller than the moon. Third one. The sun goes round the earth. The sun goes round the earth. Fourth one. The heat of the sun helps us to live. The heat of the sun helps us to live. Next we will say. Okay children, so this much only you have the 4 true and false. Now we'll pick the correct or wrong. So what is the first one here? We can only see the moon during the day. In the daytime, you can see the moon children. You can see? No. When you can see? Yes, you can see in the night. That means this statement is wrong. It is a false. The sun is smaller than the moon. The sun is smaller than the moon children. Tell me no. It's a wrong. This also false. The sun goes round the earth. The sun goes round the earth. Sun is middle only. Who will take the rotation here children? All the planets. Sun is in the middle only. All the planets rotate. They move around the sun. Not the sun moves around the earth. So this is correct or wrong? Yes, this also false. Next one. The heat of the sun helps us to live. It is correct? Yes, because the heat of the sun is energy for all the living things. That means it's a true. Now second main question number 3 now. Correct the following statement if false. Correct the following statements water. After finish one question, children, you have to keep the one line to write the next one. Second one, domestic animals live in forest. Domestic animals live in forest. Third one, deserts have hardly any rain. Deserts have hardly any rain. Last one, the earth has more land and less water. The earth has more land and less water. Now we'll see, children, whether these statements are correct or wrong. Okay, children. Saying that first one, what is heading in the first one here? Seas contain fresh water. Is it seas contain the fresh water? Seas and ocean? Tell me, children, no. This statement is wrong. So what is the correct statement, children? Tell me. Seas contain the salty water. Good. Write the answer. What is that correct statement? Seas contain salt water. Next one. Domestic animals live in forest. Is it domestic animals live in forest, children? No. So which animals live in forest? Yes. Wild animals. Wild animals live in forest. So this statement also wrong. Go to the wrong one and then write the correct. Wild animals live in forest. What is the correct statement? Wild animals live in forest. Okay, children? Next one. Deserts have hardly any rain. Now tell me, children, deserts get the heaviest rainfall? No. It's receive the very less or very little rainfall. That means this statement is correct. Deserts have hardly any rain. This statement is correct. These are true. Next one. The earth has more land and less water. So what they ask here? The earth has more land and less water. It is correct or wrong? Yes, this sentence or we say the statement, it is a wrong. What is the correct statement, children? The earth has more water and less land. Clear, children? So write the answer. Fourth one. The earth has more land and less water. So this statement is wrong. We write the correct statement. What is that? The earth has more water and less land. The earth is covered with the 3/4 parts water only and the 1/4 part it is land. Okay children, now we'll see the fill in the blanks. That is the fourth main. Fourth main, fill in the blanks. Write neatly children, fill in the blanks. First one, the length of the shadow, the length of the shadow depends on the dash of the sun. Second one, in dash season we will wear woolen cloths. In summer, third one, in summer we like to eat dash and dash and dash. Next one, fourth one, that is fourth one. The dash mountains are in India. The dash mountains are in India. Fifth one. Dash and dash are two big rivers of India. Dash and dash are two big rivers in India. Next one. Dash an animal. Dash an animal that is found in sandy desert. Sandy deserts. Okay children. So write neatly. So here, first one, the length of the shadow depends on the dash of the sun. How can see that morning we can see the shadow big and evening also big, and the noon time our shadow was very small. How it is? How it's happened? Because of the position of the sun. Okay children? So because of the position of the sun, our shadow is depend. The length of the shadow is depend. So what is that? Position. In dash season, we will wear woolen cloth. Which season children you will wear the woolen cloths? Tell me. Yes. In winter. Next. The summer we like to eat dash and dash. Which are the things you will eat in the summer? Tell me children. Yes. Ice cream. Then cold drinks. Next one. The dash mountains are in India. Which mountains are in India children? Tell me which mountains? Yes. Himalayas mountains are in India. Himalayans. Himalayas mountains are in India. Dash and dash are two big rivers in India. Tell me children, which rivers are big in India? Yes, Ganga and Yamuna. Ganga and Yamuna. Next. Dash an animal that is found in sandy deserts. Which animal found in sandy desert children? Tell me. Yes. Camel. Camel we can find in desert. What is that? Camel. So children write correctly. Don't do the any spelling mistake. After filling the blanks, you have to keep the one line, then go to the next one. Clear children? So let me read one more time this, then I will go to the next one. The length of the shadow depends on the dash of the sun. It depends on the position of the sun. In winter season, we will wear woolen cloths. In summer, we like to eat ice cream and cold drinks. The Himalayan mountains are in India. Where you can see the Himalayan mountains in India. That is the top of the India map. Top. Okay children? Ganga and Yamuna are two big rivers in India. So, here Ganga and Yamuna, this both rivers, it starts from the Himalayas only. We say the birthplace of these both rivers are Himalayan. Camel, an animal that is found in sandy deserts. Okay children, now we will go to the next name, that is the fifth one. Now next one, fifth name. Now fifth name. Name them. Name them. Now here children, you have to name out. First one, name two fruits. Name two fruits and two flowers. Two fruits and two flowers that are special to summer fruits. B, summer flower. Next, C, winter fruit. Next, winter flower. So here children, we have to write the two fruits and two flower in the particular season. Okay children, so what they had given first fruit. In the summer fruit, we can find the watermelon and mango. So right children, mango and watermelon. So here they ask only two children. So I am writing on the two fruits and flower. Next, summer. Next is what children? Next is summer flower. Now tell me the summer flower. Yes, daisy and sunflower. Daisy and sunflower. Next, winter fruit. Tell me the winter fruit children. Yes, orange and apple. Orange and apple. Next, winter flower. Now tell me the winter flower. Next we'll see the winter flowers. That is a rose and marigold. Rose and marigold. Okay children, so this is the revision for you people. Now here you have to complete these all the things without doing any spelling mistakes. Okay children? So let me read one more time. See first what they ask your question. Name two fruits and two flowers that are special to each season. Summer fruits, mango and watermelon. Next, summer flowers, daisy and sunflower. Winter fruits, orange and apple. Winter flowers, rose and marigolds. So children, I have finished the revision for the unit 11, that is the universe. Now here you have to write this all the things in one time in your EVS notebook. So what is the homework here? Homework is write one time. Okay children, you should write this revision one time and after completing take a photocopy and send me in the app children. And remember children, this notes, this revision I am not going to send in the assignment. You have to copy down this revision notes from this video only. Clear children? Okay, thank you.